Hello, this is Sean capturing Mommy Snoring. Sleep part 2. Part 1. So, we are in Lake Hotel. We are staying here because my grandmother, she's celebrating her birthday in Lake Hotel, Tagaytay City. Okay, I'm gonna show you around in Lake Hotel. Okay, you see that? If you see that one pool, you think it's just one, but it's two. There's another pool outside the Lake Hotel. And there are the rooms. There's our room. There's the mountain, and